Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Benedict Bolis II. I'm from Porkdos, Pag-asa, Ubay, Bohol. And I'm 18 years old. And my course is BSelect or Bs in Electrical Technology. And my hobbies are playing guitar and playing guitar, watching anime, and reading manhwas. And my personality are based on my what I identify about my personality is kind, friendly, care caretaker, and also a servant of God. And uh, so my best experience that I have right now is serving with God. So let me share you about how wonderful is serving the Lord. So since I'm from grade 10, my life is very ruined because of anxiety and during pandemic also that you're going to be an arrogant and very screw. So my one option is either I cry or I don't know how to find an answer. So my friend and my family said that serve the God and you'll be okay. Trust in God even if it's hard. If you ever feel down or if you ever feel belittled and don't have courage, ask God for prayers. Also, my motto is don't give up even it's hard.